Imagine using your voice to make 6 and 7 figures. And there's people already doing that today, but it's probably not in the way that you think. You see, just imagine having a personal assistant that can chat, teach you things, and even brainstorm with you all through the power of your voice, right? So we're talking today about ChatGPT 4.0's feature, Advanced Voice. This is absolutely awesome, a complete game changer in my opinion. So we're gonna dive into it, and we're gonna do 5 case studies today, or use case studies on how you can utilize this technology to enhance your business, enhance your personal life. And again, this is going to be a series, and this is episode number 1 of us doing a deep dive into advanced voice. So let's go ahead right into it. And again, like, subscribe, and share this out. So let's go ahead and go straight into this. So you do have to have ChatGPT Plus. So this is a paid subscription, right, in order to have this feature. But in my opinion, you know, all businesses have expenses. This is 100% worth it, as you're going to see. Also, you can have this on the mobile or the desktop version. If you don't see it on the desktop, but you do have 4.0 Plus, just uninstall and reinstall it, and it should pop in for you. So number 1, how do you know if you have the feature? So down here where we have the chat area, you can see on the right hand side, you can see the microphone and the icon that looks like a speaker. It has the circle with the white lines. If you see that, then you have the feature. If you have the old icon with the headphones, then you have the older version, okay? And you need to just pay for the upgrade. It's worth it. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So first of all, when you click on that icon, you can see the 2 lines up at the top right hand side. Click on those, and this is going to bring up different voices that you can choose from, right? And there's all kinds of different voices that you can choose from, and different personalities, if you will. They're all amazing, so you can just see what you like, who you feel comfortable with, and you can customize things as well. So there's Soul, there's Vale, there's Code.
I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Sounds good, Vale. But there's tons of them that you can choose from. So let's go ahead and just start diving right into this. So one of the reasons I love this, you guys, is because the average human, let me go ahead and stop this really quick, is because the average human can talk faster, right, than they can type. So the average human can talk about 130 to 150 words per minute, where we can type about 40 words per minute, right? So it makes things way more efficient and productive when you can just talk and have a normal conversation with someone and brainstorm and elevate, if you will, because you're getting that data a lot faster. But also you can listen faster than you can write. So this is a game changer in just those senses alone. But let's go ahead and dive into a couple of use cases here. I call my ChatGPT Sophia. So let's go ahead and go into this. So number 1, you can kind of use this as a translator, right? Real-time translations, and also to help you learn a new language. Hey Sophia, how are you doing? We're just starting the video right now for the social media post, and I wanted to kind of show them some of your features, including being able to translate and help learn languages.
Hey Bishop, I'm doing great, thanks. Excited to dive into this. So, for real-time translations, you can speak to me in one language and I'll translate it to another. Let's give it a go. Say something in English and I'll translate it to Spanish, for example.
Okay, perfect. So hi, how are you doing today? Hopefully you're having a great time. Are you enjoying your day?
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? Espero que estés pasando un buen rato. ¿Estás disfrutando tu día?
Love it. Now let's try Portuguese.
Sure thing. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
So right now I just got to the restaurant and I'm going to call my mom to see if she can come meet us over here at the restaurant.
Agora acabei de chegar ao restaurante e vou ligar para minha mãe para ver se ela pode se juntar a nós aqui.
Absolutely amazing, Sophia. So can you teach me something in Spanish and then also listen to my pronunciation and correct me if I'm a little bit off?
Absolutely, I'd love to do that. Let's start with a simple phrase. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? It means good morning, how are you? Give it a try, and I'll listen for your pronunciation.
Buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
Great job! Your pronunciation was pretty good. Just a tiny tweak on the días. Try to make the E sound a bit longer and more emphasized. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Give it another go.
Buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
Perfecto. That was excellent. Your pronunciation was spot on. Great job.
Thank you. Thank you. And so you guys can see, right, how amazing that feature is alone. Being able to be somewhere, right? If you're traveling on business and you're doing different things and you're meeting people and you want to be able to communicate, advanced voice is awesome. But you also just notice we're able to interrupt each other while we're speaking. So this is not like when you're using Siri or something and you got to pause and wait. Literally, while I'm talking to this advanced voice, Sophia, I can interrupt her. She can interrupt me. It's just like a real conversation with a real person. So that's an amazing use case scenario right there. But also, you can use ChatGPT Advanced Voice for dictation, right? So let's just ask her how we can utilize her for dictation. That was absolutely amazing. So just a quick question for the audience here. How can we utilize your technology for dictation?
Great question. My technology can be super handy for dictation. You just speak naturally, and I'll convert your speech into text in real time. This can be great for jotting down notes, writing emails, or even creating documents without typing. It's all about making your workflow more efficient.
Right. So I can say something like if I'm going to conduct an email or a memo to the staff, and then not only can you do the dictation, but then you can help me fine tune it to where it's coming across in the manner that I want it to.
Exactly. You can dictate the initial draft of your email or memo, and then I can help you refine it. We can adjust the tone, make it more professional or casual, and ensure it conveys your message effectively. It's like having a personal editor on hand.
Awesome. So guys, so you can see, right, how amazing really is. And so what I want to do too is show you another case study. So that's two already, right? Doing the dictation is absolutely powerful, especially when you keep fine tuning, which she can do on the fly. But also another thing that's really great besides the languages, besides the dictation, is also, if you're watching a video, let's say you're watching a YouTube video or you're watching something from your tech department or something like that, like I have tech teams in our tech company and different things like that, you can actually play that for your advanced voice ChatGPT, and it can really break down what the video is really talking about so you can understand it in a better way. So let me go ahead and bring up this video right here. I just brought it up. It's talking about how high you could jump on different planets. I'm going to go ahead and play it for Sophia and see if she can help us understand or just talk about it.
Sounds good. Okay, I'm listening. What would you like to share?
So I want to share this with you about science, and then you just let me know what you think.
Feet firmly planted on the ground. That's why the average person can only jump about 1.5 feet straight up. But if we had to live on another difficulties we'd have to endure there. We'll try Mercury first, as it's closest to the sun. The gravity on this planet is less than half that on Earth, so you'll be able to jump about 4 feet high. That is, if you can stand the temperatures. On the sunny side...
So what do you think about that?
I think that's a fascinating way to engage an audience with science. Presenting facts about gravity on other planets and comparing it to Earth is a great way to spark curiosity. It's informative, fun, and could easily lead into more detailed discussions about space exploration or physics. If you're sharing this in a video or a post, it's sure to capture attention and get people thinking about the wonders of the universe.
Awesome. So again, you guys, so you're seeing what I'm saying, right? So literally I just played that video and she was able to break down that video more and how I can use that video, but it could be about anything, right? I've done very in-depth videos about mathematics, about science, about space exploration, etc. And she would break it down for me, and also how I can utilize, right, some information from those videos and that content. So you can literally say, hey, give me the 10 best pointers about this video, and create a social media post about it, right? And it'll do it on the fly. It's absolutely, again, you guys, 100% a game changer. So in addition to that, there's something I want to try, right? I want to try a historical reenactment right now as well. But actually, before we do that, I want you guys to see the power of having an idea, right? We're going to throw out an idea for a water brand or something like that, and we want ChatGPT to help us come up with an image for it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have an idea, right? I want to create an image for a bottled water brand. Let's call it Quench. And the target audience is people that are in the fitness industry and people that love the outdoors. What can we create that's going to be eye-catching, engaging, and also get that call to action where people actually purchase?
For Quench, targeting fitness enthusiasts and outdoor lovers, let's create an image that exudes freshness and vitality. Picture a clear, sleek bottle of Quench with droplets of condensation, set against a backdrop of a lush forest or a mountain trail at sunrise. A fit, energetic individual, mid-jog or finishing a yoga session, takes a refreshing sip, embodying the idea of replenishment. The tagline could be something like, "Fuel your journey." This not only appeals to
how could we add in an AI element where we have a bottled water brand, fitness, and AI?
Integrating AI into the Quench brand could set it apart as a smart, innovative choice for health-conscious consumers. Picture this. The Quench bottle features a built-in, AI-powered hydration tracker that syncs with your smartphone. It analyzes your daily activity, weather, and personal metrics to provide customized hydration reminders. For the visual, imagine a close-up of the Quench bottle with a digital display showing your optimal water intake.
Okay, now that, you guys, was absolutely amazing. Do you see what I'm talking about? Being able to brainstorm on this level, and that's actually a good business idea. If you guys didn't know, I was also a co-founder and business partner for a bottled water brand that we got into a lot of the retail outlets, and my business partners are phenomenal. They were really just crushing it. And one of the other things that's really cool is you can take that image, right, or that description that Advanced Voice gave you for creating that image, like I did with the bottled water idea for Quench, right? That's not the name of our bottled water or anything like that, right? I'm just saying, I was just using something as an example. So you can take that data because all of your chats are saved, and then actually plug it into ChatGPT to actually create the image. And I'll show that to you guys right here. So you can see I took that information in, and I said, create an image for a bottled water brand called, let's call it Quench, targeting people in the fitness industry and also people who love the outdoors. And it instantly created that image that you guys can see right there. Okay, so that's what I mean. Let me go ahead and move this, make it a little bit bigger so you can see the image. But it's absolutely brilliant, right? So just think about all the power and the use cases that you have for this type of technology. But you see how it came up with ideas and data and all this kind of stuff. This is powerful, but it's like a conversation, right? You saw me interrupting and it would immediately just respond and interrupt me as well. That's the power of this, you guys. And so also other things that you can do that I can just throw out there for you. Like you can do dictation, right? I can read something and say, you know what? I kind of want to know what this is really talking about, or help me really understand this even more, and it will absolutely do that. So it's a reading buddy for you as well. You know, I don't need to to sit here and read, but you guys get the gist, right? If it did the video and kind of broke down the video for me, you know it can break down in the books. So it's really powerful. Some of the other things you can do can be a cooking assistant. It can create scripts for you. That's one of the things I use it for all the time. While I'm brainstorming or while I'm out walking, I'll just come up with some ideas and talk and help flush out these ideas. But there's one that I really, really want to kind of check out and try as well. So let's go ahead and do one more here, give you a bonus. So I also heard and understand that you can also do historical reenactments, right?
Absolutely. And enactments by providing detailed descriptions, dialogues, or narratives that bring historical events to life. If you have a specific event or era in mind, we can craft an immersive experience around it. What historical moment are you interested in exploring?
I don't know. Let's do something with well, give me some ideas and let me choose.
Sure, here are a few ideas. 1. The Renaissance. We could explore the life of Leonardo da Vinci, witnessing his inventive process and interactions with other great minds of the era. 2. The American Revolution. Step in.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do Leonardo because I love Leonardo da Vinci. Absolute genius. So let's go ahead and do that one.
Fantastic choice. Imagine we're in Florence in the late 15th century, inside Leonardo da Vinci's workshop. The room is cluttered with sketches, models, and tools. Leonardo, with his intense focus, is painting the Mona Lisa, pausing occasionally to jot down ideas for his flying machine. We hear a conversation between Leonardo and his apprentice.
Thank you. So again, you guys can start seeing, right? This technology is on a whole different level. You can also do mock interviews, and we're going to show some of that in the next video, where literally you can say, okay, this is my customer, right? This is what my business is about. This is what we do. This is our target audience. And I want you to interview me, or you to put yourself in my shoes and interview me as a potential hire, or do customer service. And it's going to really help you make your customer service and everything more fine-tuned. You're going to be able to dial in and make things more efficient in your business. Okay, so again, you guys, absolute game changer. Just wanted to come here for a quick video and show you some of those examples there. But this is just video one. The other ones are going to absolutely blow you away as well. I promise you, they're amazing. So again, you guys, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be more, do more, live more. And I always say, make sure you chat God, before you chat GPT. So that way everything stays in balance. But I'm so excited about this series. Welcome to this channel. If you're brand new to this channel, here we're going to talk about everything from lifestyle to entrepreneurship, mindset, and of course scaling and growing your business as an entrepreneur myself, right? So I've been through the highs, I've been through the lows, had tremendous wins, we've had losses, but you're going to be on this journey with me because we're setting out to do something that is absolutely a game changer. All right, talk to you guys soon. Take care. God bless.